Yeah, people, there we go. I'm back again here. The beautiful sunset is right there. Oh my god! And these waves are like crazy. You can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Like, it's fun, really fun, enjoying while here. While it's this wavy, but also very dangerous. So, not like everyone is here. People have run away, have ran away from the waves because it's just really dangerous. So I was showing you the beach. This is the beach. This is it. Oh my god. The water will carry me. Oh my god. So this is the beach. Let's just come down. These are the people who are here. It's not really busy at this time, but yeah, I love it that way. So the waves are just too strong. Goodbye, my people.